right, back to pause and go, ma. So anyway, you guys, I'm a bit better today. I'm a bit better. So Koko the best. We're gonna have him again, but the second time. So me an interview there. Me interview Tar. So this is the second time around. So and if you are billing, level it to the truth. Then can I write to go to down, but come here the music industry. So again, a book ka interview by Lela Walla. So. Repeating guests as well. So Koko the best, legend Koko, comment by Chanko. Thank you. So Koko mukwede kakatitini, tajiner. So all right, back to the beginning. Can you call out Malaka Nyam? So Malaka Naath, Malaka Egypt, Malaka Sudan, Malaka South Sudan, Malaka Ethiopia, Uganda, Tanzania, or I don't know, Tanzania. I mean Kenya, most of the countries in Dongtiantan. So write your country. Me take a country. Me go to the announced what Nuer content. Got a comment and then give a shout out. So welcome. So it's a letter to channel Balloon Joka. Every Saturday interview with celebrity talk. So while our guest is Koko the best. So Baku leave no Koko. Me share request this young one and then Ben Nuka live stream and then we're gonna start right away. And then come and leave with Johnny. Me take a me tirana no Koko or keep me, you know, like I don't know, dear lad. Me take chum mugurano be campanan, banana knocker. Yeah, gotta come and do and then bega kwania, you know, because these things are also really good. So around me let it work at the industry. Good or bang from Kafanica and one okay, this is what my fan thinks of me. Keep me take a mid keep me take me let it jacka good or be correct key you wanna make some comments. God comment ko to tane kan na lock up na wonyam, you know. So cuz mu kujiman charka ne ko ki mu kujiman charka your fans. Chi dang di correct but chi de correct chi de ngaji ko ngune, you know. So corrections is also good to go forward, all right? But also compliments, appreciation. Tatana Bantuku cannot motivate. It motivates the person to go forward. All right. So if you have any comments, feel free to write your comments. All right. So we're gonna start this live. Let's interact. Now let me say hi to everybody that came to the live stream. Benny Lamale, welcome to our live stream. Kayir Chol, so a nice look. Thank you. Boy Kids, Janet, amazing. Welcome back, Nyamal. We miss you. Yeah, Boy Kids, like, a lot of my comments. So I really appreciate your engagement as well. So shout out to Boy Kids. I believe he's also an artist. Muguro Debest one day. So hopefully your chance will come. We look forward to it. Koko the best. There you are. Here we go. Yes, Koko. Come on. Cool your submit cool request. We're gonna start this interview right away. Let's see. So let's just wait, guys. We're just gonna wait. Wait. All right, I'll wait a comment. Tala to Jen, amazing. Thank you. I'm glad you're amazed. Coco's already here. All right. Yes, now tickling. We're connected. Dude, I'm a chila doll. And I tell our brown bear, brown Coco, Coco. What does Coco means again? Okay, but now for Coco, we need to know what Coco, because I know she last year. So welcome back to the show for the second time around. Could I introduce in your coordinated don't put you pipe and I can get 1 minute. Because like who you are. So Koko the best. Welcome back. I'm so happy to have you back. Plus, but I no. And again, and it's a good job. So welcome back. We're going to talk about that. Introduce yourself. You are big up. Eh, Telugu. Yeah. Telugu. Mala. Unega. So now can I remind Koko little no did? Yes. Take us back.
Chukula rame kuj meaning Koko lo ne soldier. Soldier meaning Koko no more. So I do my thing as a soldier.
You are a soldier indeed.
Yeah, I'm a soldier.
You are. Yeah.
So it's been a long time. Even I miss you. Konjeng Ken Kolomorot. You know.
Mm-hmm.
It was a pleasure of meeting you again or seeing you again. Ki obejo dubale lingunyop. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Yanda noise of Naath music. The music can love it without you guys.
I wish I wish I disappeared for years. And then just there, I hiding myself, watching how they take the game.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell us, where did you go?
I just hiding. I just want to know if people.
Hiding.
Yeah, go no bang me de na de kana team go ta ja team go jamon.
Oh, Lela, one na.
Yeah, but the truth is like I was on my way to Ethiopia and then Chao kept that up, so I was in prison. Yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I need to continue
Yeah, you
go
know.
to you, right? Visa, what is it?
Yeah,
I'm sure
you
you
know,
didn't do
like
anything bad, right? You the baddest.
you know, when jungle have been way, la be ka duk dia. Yeah, and I'm glad that every day la when jungle la on but I go
Yeah,
through but the test.
that is true. Yeah, we want to you know. Yeah. You know, she endure, she overcome. Yeah, you do your best. You do your best. Well, welcome back. So, tinggal dulu.
Thank you.
Agak dulu. So, tadi dulu yang.
Like my family.
Okay, that's
Yeah, my
good.
family can do. So I was sentenced to 1 year and a half, or either $2,000. Yeah, or either $2,000.
Wow. So, mechanic aja yo, tanah di tega tejen karuan.
Kan kejek 1 year deh tiga tiga.
Ay.
1 year and a half. 1.5 year.
Eh, bago lari Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. Ano ba gan mer ba la talo ay. Telat.
You know, like but sometimes miche igwe like odong shiro dunan gaje maybe la jila goro be la ngat be la ngat ko ne ko du jati ni ki odong ra me chagate ni you know. Yeah, I
That's
do right
true.
with God.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even that, but all I like touch experience gaje, you know, charge like like cha yolana, you know. That's what I can say. Yeah, because beneship and like many people don't believe it. Like some of them like Koko is fake or wherever like any word and throw at me. But at the end of the day, micha don't you know like tungna jega long ki michiran yol beje la beje ni long you know. Yeah, like nah
Be strong,
chicken
you
go.
know. Yeah.
Yeah, nah.
Go face me tell on. Yeah, tell me they run learn. So now let's talk about your mission as an artist, your music. So it's a bit out of the deep new one. You had a lot of new songs, and you also had an album, a full album. So this is your first biggest album. So I'm very proud of you. You know,
Thank you.
releasing your album,
Proud of
and
you
then
too.
also the video. Look at this, look, camera.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you. All I'm doing is just representing you guys. So You know, you guys are all you gotta do is just keep feeding me. You know, the other day, come fan it, could anything for you to represent. Just keep feeding us, keep throwing them out there, keep working hard. You know. So to the Janet and you know, you're very determined. You're very determined. You know, like many can like all the challenges in the music industry would do push. You know, Neo Babinka for the live stream today. You know, after that happened, yeah, I knew the determination we did along. So I'm very happy to see you. Um, so tell us about your and the album that you released. So tell us a little bit more about the album you released and the video on fire play in the beginning. So obsessed. You guys look at it link yet. Make sure you guys check out Koko the Best on YouTube channel for his latest video, Obsessed, and his full album. So go ahead, start.
Yeah, album myself last year I was doing the album on behalf of my grandfather. You know, Guadong, you know, he was my guiding angel. I have no way.
Start again.
Yeah, I have no way to appreciate him, you know, because Chinemal the Queen as soon as Kanman Dana don't they appreciate they longer jiggy. But at the end of
Wow.
the day, Chabin Charkon and to get back ki ta dan che ngi ke je ta dan che chen ke je meno che laran, you know, ke riet ke ken dial ken ja ko ni ba 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 te gwa ta tin ni wale o dong ba ngai ko en nga, you know, again. So he was an artist. So
Wow.
every day, you know, like la kere ke tang wan ko wa bining nyuru igwal, you know, ba la ta te wimon ke tin bi tuong niam like te ngwan de chala te bi ben tuong niam, but today as we're talking chicken walking there, you know, but I don't know, maybe me dong te cha parwe ko ngut ko gwadan ko ngoda maybe bi go to ke dong bi go to gwad me niam, I don't know. Yeah, but cha album cha la ke because he passed away in 2010, and then cha bu gorgon and to keep his legacy, you know, I'll keep I'll play his role as me, the Joe Mudongbeka, you know. Yeah, the album was about me and my grandfather. You know, when I go back
Wow.
home last year, when I go back home last year, cha nera cha ujek, cha dap ka gan Michel Gumaya, my album name, you know.
Yeah, I see the Tura got cover to the Chenenka album do. Yeah.
Yeah, that was my daughter. I mean, the album and that,
Okay.
you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but me chow cheng cha nera chow jek cha gada cha cholu gumaya. Yeah. So and Gandhi take the me chalu gumaya. And then that song la kede it was famous ka ya tene ngai ka jemme ni ga ti ami. No la di de mola kede, but me cha bin nyuru cha bin guji ne okay cha gor ko ne ko bi di de mo ba kule tek me ne dong ram dong ken jow de ken me ling cha gor ko ba le la drill ko sa jen new hip hop pa ben, so cha gumaya cha le la drill, you know. Yeah, cha la tonga la ga duwe je you know, like la duwe ke rodin with every time cha did the more broad duwe with so cha could know la drill, you know.
All right. Well, first of all, rest in peace to your grandfather. My condolences. I know it's been time passed, and I'm pretty sure if he was here, they'd let it test. You know, that's a huge
Never did. Yeah,
humility.
but
A humility, which you come along. So, that's very good. So, Gumaya, what does it mean? Everybody that
uh
knows it, yeah, I'm the only one that probably don't know. So, yeah. What does it mean, Gumaya? I like the name.
I don't
It's very nice. Yeah.
yeah, you know, like gumai yak lo na ram boom boom, you know. So he used to call me Gumayak and take a gadaman mila chole Gumayak too. You know. So both of us we share the same name, but can I explain ka gwaul and Gumayak no dong tadan gum gaje and on point and gondi da like can I mean explain ke but he told me like gumaya mutual jigumaya
Yeah.
gajira mugum.
Mm.
Yeah.
So what's the name of the album? I'm gonna try to pull it up. Let's see.
Gumaya.
It's called Maya. Okay. So you guys, that's
Yeah.
the album. It's on Daga YouTube do, and it's also available platform to cook in like Spotify, iTunes, all of them, right? And it did on a jig in the
No, they jeka YouTube korwade.
Okay, it's only on YouTube.
Yeah, it's only on YouTube. Kana distribute the platform again.
Okay. All right, you guys,
Yeah.
this is Koko the Best YouTube channel. So make sure be out and subscribe and also to check out his music. So he's a rapper and an R&B. So it's a little R&B sound, which is really nice.
Yeah.
You're very multi-talented, yes. And so now tell us the video by camera obsessed with love. You know that's a very strong word, huh? Yeah. I'm obsessed with love. Like people run away. We Americans, we run away from obsessed love. So, but going to
Yeah.
Africa, I'm pretty sure it has a different meaning. So, why did you come up with that title? Like, what is the whole song behind it?
You know, like Miche dur chale la gora balel kaloy kel, you know. Ki mi no ga je namo. Ya mi no ga je kaloy da balat ka mi lo ga je la lo ga je like yani charo da de pretend ko dong. Yeah, mi dong lo ga je charo da pretend ko ne no ga je, you know.
Okay. So she
Yeah.
just you can like lot of you can get you.
Yeah, I'm one way.
Okay, let me see again. I'm back on which and then we'll close it.
Yeah, like Micha
Don't
Gorgon.
look to be your audited. It's done.
Yeah, Micha Kel Chanok Channel Agora Banyer of Bella to Kel long, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, La Nogano
Okay.
Bekel Ballad. So, which is Micha one number one, there's no tell a number Mutodian, getting a zero, because you know, zero is nothing, but number one is number one. Yeah.
You're number
So,
one.
yeah, it's a feeling that I can't explain, but I did it.
Yeah, that's something a lot of people don't have. Need you want to like Laran or Con big can be good. Don't be with you knock a jack, don't but a lot of job keeping low teddy, you know? Yeah. Man. Take a nation now. Okay, no money chatting for the first time, knock a completely, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then but you let Carter. So
The,
I'm like
the
that too, you know, like me can do a look, me can knock, that's it, you know? Yeah.
yeah.
There's no time for overthinking. Yeah. So now take us back to the journey of your music. Last year, Tikaraja Lonka Pika, like material our conversation. You know, the challenges that you face, like, you know, haters or like, you know, the lack of support from the community, you know, to the Alatana, Tikonga long last year. So now I tell you, a minute, ever since your music from that time to now, we did something already improve or or you think you went to a whole different level? What would be your rating?
Like on my site, like
Yeah.
we road in you know. Yeah.
Really?
Road in you know, in our society, Ramalan Mugwa, Jela Ramijagon. Ramijaga Jankula Ramugwan, you know. Yeah. There's a lot of challenges and Katikel Cornisham, you know, two things like token time. So you know, Baji Bidur
So we can get already improve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Telemission, you know, Michi road again.
Okay.
Yeah. and ka gweje je ko ne ba ku peng niam de ba peng niam la in cause ni jawo ne jira ni fini cha mi jira mi leader sila che la gwa ko dong bigap bira mo ben kenyin ke tin ko ne te ke je ken dial ken yap ga ben yor wi but cha ben je ko ne oro ji ke jong ne to ken jen jila mlan la one problem ga jen jira mlan dong even if che gorgo ne bina nyo duop ko ye duop je ne ni ne te tana cha bin ko bina ke jen duop mo no chiga no gorgo ba go bira no nyo ko branch ne and then bero do nyo ko ridi nyo bero do nyo ko ridi so like kuna will na road in go kel there's no move missing up the way la ni ne ba nyo ko yot pin nyo
Yeah. So
and,
let me ask you now. So you need to tell me again. What is your plan now? Like, and what you learn and get that experience when planning like, what have you set your mind to?
Yeah, like go down the world thing. I think ngay je kut karwa kut ngay je money and I don't go back and chan lo job. Yeah, so when go when can din kona cha plan big je can big go two thing so like now tidial ba kwala tong ne yani kwala guro ba ko nyoko to fresh nyok ka ta dan dong chenyin ga cha plan ga most of the thing chike chong go money but I'm sure of one and baka jako big move so I've already get the capital yeah so everyone is quiet tell Ramadong me right near the chicken bit can so which means nobody know.
Wow. Even the community.
Yeah, near the chicken bit. Yeah, like nobody know. And may take a plan, make it, and even the time I was in jail, I teach and I go and I'm don't should be the new she release. Like a don't take the king, don't shoot out again,
Yeah.
But there's nothing. Tell me, shoot out again. So,
okay.
will like.
So now that you're out, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Michi will at the talk about nang and about sharing the room, don't she like and guard, Because when the deal, when the condial, can music then take and every was take a problem. When she been kapanani, take a problem. You know, we get DJs, take a problem. You know, we get MCs, take a problem, You know, we get promoters, take a problem. So, size ni condial.
Yeah, they just behind the music.
Can corner ngai corner dong ye ngum lel corner, Tell me don't chat ngai. Yeah, but Nathan corner one day. And the day Jomi ko we are on them. Kata on yin tunun ke chao jiran. Corner looking road to Kenya. By kulo look and it ken.
Amen to that.
Yeah, there's a lot of things to go they change. To go point and Koko don't they need to don't they change, don't they change. But me care out road the change road the chiram road in chi de long go be change.
Yeah. So now let me ask you, as the godfather of STB Nation, so your artist in your group, or as you as a leader, what do you have to say about the artists in STB Nation who can represent? Do you feel like they're advancing? Like with the legacy or where are they at right now? Because we saw two artists that are that are making a name right now. Yeah. From the STB Nation. Or unless, you know, like, are they still with the STB Nation, or tell us a little bit behind that?
Yeah, and STB Nation, you know, they are going and Nathan Corner don't kwa represent. Let can land me go. So far, that nigga tada ne shine right keje kondi al gwaskel. So any run, so kedu ne mandana lede. Banga jene dial ko ne ramo me lede je ka loy kel. Kalwanga je, you know. So far they are going in SKG is doing good. Kachi jana si janta dan kita dong level dan dong kesin. Now
Yeah, and it's a
bento dong
Benyal.
tara yal ka chamandan ne chaman la de chenga, you know. So the same to Wing Boy too. Jara mo dong chamandan dong gor ka loy de ki mandan dong la goro ko dong da la, you know, she lel. Yeah, she lot, you know, because kondial em da no ne even if we work solo, bine ngai ko ne men dana lada cha kon chicken ne dial kon tika kru ko cha ngai ko ne me go even if chango out chen che chut gru ko che bu ya, you know, bo de le chut gru ka ka jen dan dong go ne like now mi chen euro go man che di wing boy che ka gwe la te loy de long. Yeah,
I bet.
the same to schedule too, because it don't chineke plan, you know, before can any ben kajen go the net in it is a plan one, you know, medan me la ke manager da ne go the time ben ko dong gram ke jen garwa, you know, la gweje chi talk la chera mi dong chira mo de let garwa as the way we are now.
Yeah, it almost seemed impossible at the time, but it's a good job. Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's in Georgia, you know. Go chiram let karwade, and go down and let in the mouth, you know, longer, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes the music la lingi don't be point about power and me did me jaga yan real like the Michigan could a point to la tape power, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
But music, music is keji dealing allowed and cool vibe. Where the boys are doing good. Like now, me chang music chapel chande dia, you know. Coding icon and they are representing me, they are representing STB. You know, that is the legacy.
You should be proud of yourself. Yeah. 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 So you should be proud of yourself.
And I wish too. I hope Biran Mudodian be Nyogolet ka duor, you know. Yeah. She get la time dong de mo dong loga dollar long. Even if chang dong de go dong de ran log but dong ran ka idea ni cause ci guadien ci benu guad dong beken ko ken let ka duor ga jenden baram do dien bal nyoko non ram dong de nyoko nyodo ne me jenani ne, you know. Yeah.
Hey, you're a hardworking guy. You are a hardworking guy. So now, Tanya, for everyone that heard that story, so I'm gonna play the second song at the halftime, and then after this song, and then we're gonna work your other things still that is for the music industry. All of that stuff. We want to hear what's going on with it. How do you feel about it? All of that stuff. So we still have a lot to talk about. So this is halftime. Now, so any comment you want to tell us?
Yeah, like let's say Nuer, you know, take a kell mugwa take yeah. Any girl mishiranu tin laro la nyu the phone and you know Nuer. Kawe dong they could appreciate it, you know, like charge ni go ko ne. Ngumu dong de la. We don't de nyu ko ne dong no ka nyere ko ne ka society da, you know. Let's say michi kienen like on ne dong nye nya ja ki nya kiri, you know. They need to open they got audience mo you know. But cha gorgo ne ngumu dong ne nyen wer dia de ka mat. Nenu chine benel ka idea mo dong go ne dong de nyen wer de ka mat, you know, like now mi cho ka ben tio ta che di mo chao kit, you know. So kan dia de ka audience je. Mi cho ka Naath.
Okay.
The same mi cho ka mai cho ka lungu chu. And then men mi cho re Nuer mo rodien. Re loga ki re ga wer, you know. Go je ko ne any nyal mi la nyen Nuer che culture Nuer che de paru, you know. Men yene tin ko dong te rar to mi endi de mo edin mi nyu no go nye kon kan nyu je ko ne gatin ko dong pi to mi chicken tan Nuer chicken paru. So I think that's the only way don't they appreciate it, you know. Come you right ni kon wale che jogo ne nyamal.
And thank you for appreciating us.
You know those stuff. Chiram to take picture de ngaji dong te me chalar you know. Ban me chalar ke radiate yani ya de ran ngai ko ne ko sheri de me chalar ne you know. Yeah, chomro kun yen Nuer te loy de ke yelong. Bana tekel yeah.
All right, I have one request from Koko the Best. Okay. Are you guys ready? We want a song only for the Gambela girls. We want a song for us.
Yeah,
Gambel. Yeah, but yes, it's amazing, you know.
As long as Lloyd be jagatet, that's all we want.
Of course, we will dance. We will dance. Whatever, you know. Doing whatever. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. That's all I can say.
Yeah, like
so whatever they're called, over it. Yeah.
I think they did Michelle like a bad.
Yes, we need that. Please give it to us. We need that. We need that. All right, moving forward. So now, Tankuka, the rest of the stuff you've been doing. You had a show called something Tune, Batula episode every Wednesday. You know, it was picking up. You were interviewing. Yes, Wednesday Tune. There you go. So Yaga YouTube, for a lot of you guys, don't call it a pipe, but Yaga YouTube channel. And it's a really good show, you know, where our society. They give their opinions and facts. Yeah. So tell us a little bit about that. Why did you decide to come up with that show, and where do you think it's going to go? It's very inspiring.
Yeah, and la go je ko ne de dia de ga mat go kel, you know. But chagui ko ne tell away me don't go de nor go kel ba ga jo ko ne men goro bala jene ni ne. So medan cha decide ko ne go ro mu dong de use da ka no ne la cheng chi ke la use ne ra ko ken but South Sudan can you know.
Yeah.
So me cha go ko ne dong de do de la my weekly routine cha go ko de but me cha ban gwe cha go ko ene la go no dong de la ni tin ko no dong tin ko no ko lat ko ru no ngum dong cha lat ki o dong mol ka kan ni ko ken to cha go de la onen go plate me de tin de nyin ga ko no la de ko la tin de la ki YouTube but cha ban decide ni ko okay what if mi cha charan cha la go ra ka chen ke le ne shi de lo ti ta da na dong te ke je ki tin ko no ngong you know many me one of my brothers actually the watch you know Kebeni Alkajan idea more for don't we can do shield with Butula Wednesday too, you know. Taking one day, they plan along to don't.
I'm trying to find one right now.
They don't they got where they promote, you know. Yeah. But
if you guys can see my screen here, this is the
shield with Butula. Yeah.
Okay. There we go. That's the show, you guys, every Wednesday, the Batula Gang. I'm going to screw a little bit away from here.
Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Koko, the best rap in the place. You know what it is, man. Promise to bring you different talent every Wednesday on Serious Batula Wednesday tune. You know how we do it. And today, I have one of the dopest comedian, and she's an artist same time, none other than Ciara. Ciara, how are you?
I'm fine. I like her, by the way. Oh my God, that girl is so smart. I watched that episode. Yes. The way she talks, everything. Oh my gosh, I love her. Yeah. She's definitely an inspiration.
Yeah.
So anyway, you guys, that's the show every year. Batula Wednesday too. Yes, continue.
Yeah, okay, like Tiara Nyami Mudong when because taking it in gone to with the Yamono, you know. Take a chance along.
You can tell. Yeah, she's very smart.
Yeah, Miss you be and got hard. Mitty and Kel, Chidem and board, you know, that did Jacob Lloyd the bed. They didn't want to don't you know.
Yeah.
So good connect cut through shield with Bule. Then they tell it wanted don't to pin. They get genial. They can enjoy shield with Bule. Yeah. Chap Gorgo don't they let the boom thing go don't they didn't go on and I'm to get talent. They love the shield with Bule, you know, but more kickle when the time it because I general am lel tidial, you know. Me chat to go agenda malana interview. Agenda yeah, but tour babin edit line, you know. But tidial bakalel line la moje ke seriously long, you know, because let it tidial la jin at the same time.
Yeah.
Many make you fun.
Welcome to Showbiz.
Diana, Princess Diana.
Yes.
Ramadan, don't she so Kevin take over. So I was behind the camera. I was the director.
Hey, the bigger the purpose, the greater the service. Yes.
Yeah.
The greater the service, you got to start hiring people.
Yeah, that's what I have to do now because YouTube,
yeah.
Guys, you know. So Ramadan a bilet
Yeah.
ka jen shil with Butula mo. Be yo ka tin gona no tiben the shil with
Mm-hmm.
Butula. Be ne de koke. Ba ram edita mo bido be benedit ka be Butur. Then bala higher, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Hey, we keep praying for you. Keep it up. Keep it up. It's a really good show. So we can't wait for it to come back. So bring it back, bring it back,
Yeah.
bring it back. So now it's been towards the end of the live stream. I think, to talk to you. So for everybody, the last stage is to ask questions. All right. So need you go to the Koko the best there, take a question or whatever, and then the response. So now go ahead, start writing your comments, start writing your questions, and then question your Koko, and then bega answer. So Koko, this is your moment. So until you guys ask right now. So taboka comment mitega inspiration to tagorka kwidu and then baka went out loud. All right. And then after that, we're gonna close with your last inspiration message, your last message to the world. And then go from there. So CDR, apa tu CDR? Jenny, I felt the love, big dude. We are going far as you addressed. So we see it. We're going far. So that's a good sign, So that's a good sign. Otherwise, most of the other ones are Batula, the baddest, Koko, the best, the baddest. Yes, we get it. He's super bad. Okay. Kong Biel, I think this one was addressing to me. No, Dole, Jenny, Celebrity Talk, Ellie versus Coco. All right, I'm the host. This is my guest. Thank you. Yeah. So, Connor, Jenny, good work. Keep up the good work. Naath music industry to the worldwide. So, we got to keep pushing the Naath music industry. Keep pushing, keep pushing. We'll never give up, From artists to producers to promoters to DJs to representatives to hosts to media. We got to keep pushing, And it'll get there. Yeah? I mean, I think like, Naath music is too pretty far now, Like we have, let me say here to U.S. right? Since I'm in the U.S., we starting to see our youth recognize it a lot more, So person got the club scene. So anytime we take an international club in Larka, I have become an activist, you guys. So take a it's like no. You gotta play South Sudan music because Moonaka, Afrobeat, hip hop, dance hall, R&B, whatever. I'm a piano, I can't learn yet. But the rest of all the genre, the content, yeah, we have everybody there. So we're gonna keep pushing that music because the club scene. So anytime we call Afrobeat for the play, we make sure one of our artists' music is on there too. So. Again, the new movement, all right? That's a new movement we are doing, you guys. So far it's working, it's coming good, okay? Last week we played a couple of South Sudanese music. Maybe I think we're doing South Sudanese music. Dance floor. You guys follow what I do. And they did, they liked it. So, yes. So let's keep pushing, all right? And then, what's up, guys? Batula Gang, all the inspirations. Justin Bush, Janet, I have been in pain for long, but calling him but no answer. All right. And it's I'm teaching. Thanks for showing up, homie. Okay, yeah, I'm still dear Kokidu, so Janet, you got to talk about better, but and kind of did so tell me you've been in the live stream. So welcome back, Coco, for the people that miss you. All right, you guys, I don't see your questions. So now we'll go forward. A message. What message do you want to tell the world? We'll go to the link from the community. Or what request would you say to the community? Or many can Nathan, don't could you go to your fans? What message do you want to give them today?
Yeah, Canadian corner dong go ka ken michido chu gorgo bi pel there goro bi lat emalinge mui
Lengaji.
linge I don't know okay
Lengaji Jodoga.
but Jordan
And they put in Nathan
la be nyogo
Nathan Ling live stream. Oh, Alien Giga. We're almost at the end of the live stream.
okay yeah
Mm.
okay yeni di kon dong lienga jeno channel ko mi dong tim ci to ko bi
Koko, Lengajiga, you're perfect. Tangu na deep one lela lo jordi ro linkareo. Yeah.
yeah lenga lepro da kareo ya man chala lawe anyo ka bi
Yeah. Lengajiga, it's okay.
yeah
Just say tell him
so
ro kareo.
yeah jeno men tin goro no dong below di bi kap ne di altin kon dong ti wi mon chi dong chi ram ke bi men dan dong bi no ko ni ka bi lok te ne di ko ken tin ti ba men di be lok che be no ram da dong bi men di be no ken ti dial to goro bika good good by but can it go what than no go na no goro ko ka bi goro ko ne anytime ki mi dong te go putin bi research bi ko bi ngai ko ne ken it don't kon dong ti radian dong ko ne ki lifestyle dan dong lifestyle and win mon te dong wan lo la pan mi ngi mel de bi go ko yo ba dan ti tin ko bi la niam ko ko mu ko lo te niam be nyin ko to ken kon dong goro bulonga lene be jilo ka ke yeah so tele message mi di mi dong de na goro ko ne dong bi bu woni jin ko won yam chengte yam to bi goro ko bi kot bu ku jimi me dong ci do ti mi te nyok to ko nyok ko bu ku jimi til do ke kwa de la tele mi dong ro de nyong ga tin nyok
So stay hopeful, you guys. Stay hopeful. Yeah, left. So anything is possible. And we moon the example from many got to STB nation level is in particular chupton and all the hard work that you have done kind of challenges into who face. Tatania contain a good deal in your we moon that on you can do it, telling other people you can do it, So we're very proud of you. And everybody else that has engaged, thank you so much for your engagement. So, Antenna Tinachupka, the end of the live stream. So, is there any message that you want to say right now at the moment? Or if you have anything coming up?
I think yeah just the check a lot
Right.
talk a lot of things talk and this
All
time is going
right.
to be different than time is really different yeah so
All right. We'll wait for it. So, mhm.
tin kono bara ki tin kon dong bialin bala bala di dan dong
All right.
I think the industry.
Ano ba ako leave na Gmail personally?
Yeah.
No, it's helping you. It's helping you. Yeah. Yeah. No, take a look at industry. Take a mental lot. Take a Nathan Biddy knock and Nathan Biddy look, you know. So, you know, just keep focusing on what you're doing. Just keep feeding us. Keep feeding us, you know. So we can't wait to see your new projects in Bilabanga. And yeah, we'll just keep going from there. So, and to keep up the good work, keep up what you're doing. Thank God you're out. So, just try to stay out, okay? So you could push your music. Yeah. So that's your number one focus. And everyone else have a wonderful night. And if you are Kamal, go to the East Africa. And Koko, take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Ciao.